Today we are going to make chicken tacos. So what we're going to do is we're going to combine two recipes that I found. So it will combine Pico De Gallo and the cilantro lime sauce. They have more or less the same thing except a couple ingredients, so we're just going to combine those. But one thing before starting is I don't understand why they still use like tablespoons and cups in the recipe, because then when you go and buy it, you don't know how much you need. So in this case, I probably have too much of some things, too low for some things, but I don't understand why they don't give you like a ballpark of like, okay, so 1/2 cup of finely chopped tomato is 1 small tomato or whatever. So I probably bought way too many things and I'm just gonna waste them all. But that is that. So garlic in a large bowl. Okay, I definitely did not do that right, and so everyone can tell me how I'm supposed to do it. I'm also supposed to mince it. 2 tablespoons. So I'm just gonna literally cut this in half and squeeze it. That is actually probably a tablespoon. You could, if you had like a juicer or something, that would obviously be better. Judging by that, I definitely used way too much lime juice. But, you know, it is what it is. I think it's gonna be on like the pan with the chicken, so if anything, this should probably make it taste better. What the hell? Okay, no, if you use cumin, it just all comes out. So, also, I have like a teaspoon, and clearly this is a very good measuring spoon. So, just gauge what half is. Jesus, I should put the lid on. Now what you're supposed to do is you should mix everything that's in this bowl. It said large bowl. It's a big lie. You do not need this big of a bowl, because what you can do is you can put this in a Ziploc bag and then put it with the chicken. You don't have to actually like put the chicken in here. This looks disgusting. It would probably be less liquidy if I didn't put so much lime juice, which is optional. Okay, so for this one, it says what you should do is you should put the chicken into this and then make it and then do everything else. In this case, I don't know how long it will actually take me to do this, so I'm going to make the sauce instead of making the chicken while I make the sauce. But if you know what you're doing, then you probably should do that. Tomato. Look at that. It's already. It comes cracked. How am I supposed to do
so
this?
I'm doing a voiceover because I didn't do anything afterwards. I think it is an 8.5 out of 10. I did burn the chicken a little bit. It still tasted fine. It just had this like crust layer, because the spices ended up burning. And the problem with that is because the instructions say to do medium-high heat. And if you do medium-high heat, what you're going to do is you're going to burn the spices, and then it's going to burn basically the outside of the chicken because that's what the spices are. I would do this again. It was very good. It also said in the instructions that prep time was 20 minutes. And if I was better at this, I still don't think I would have done 20 minutes. Between cooking it and between cleaning it up and all of that, it took about 2 hours. If I got better at this, then I would assume it would take maybe an hour, because you would want to put the chicken on like low to medium heat so you don't burn the spices. What you can also do is you can just take the spices out and then add the spices afterwards so you don't burn it. But this was really good. I will definitely do this again, but I want to do it so that, one, the spices don't burn. Two, I didn't really know what I was doing with cutting things, so I would want to improve on that too. But thanks everyone for watching, and please like and subscribe to the video.